The topic of today's video is how to make fly-through text in DaVinci Resolve. Alright, so you'll see we're here in the edit tab and I've got some random text that I just put up here and a video behind it. So we need to swap that around. I need to have my text underneath my video. So let's do that. Alright, now that that's fixed, we need to adjust our text to be at least not as long as the video. So well, let's just call it half the video. Then what we want to do is we want to press B to pull out our blade and cut the clip in half exactly where the text ends. Alright, now that that's done, we want to go click on our clip, the first part of it, and on composite, we want to change that to multiply, and that's in the inspector window, by the way. So now we can see our text. So click on your text, and then what you want to do is resize it. And once you're happy with the size, set up your text however you want, the title, set up your fonts and so forth. Choose something that has a big inner so that you can highlight the inside. You'll see what I mean later. Alright, so when you're done there, head over to the settings and then switch on dynamic zoom. I think I'm going to adjust the size again. Okay, next up, just underneath the playback window to the left, you want to click on dynamic zoom. Then you're going to get this green window and you want to resize that so that it can fit on the inside of whatever letter you choose. I would recommend zooming in on your picture using your mouse wheel and make sure that it's small enough to fit right in between your text. Okay, so now we currently have it the wrong way around, but that's an easy fix. All we want to do is in our dynamic zoom, click on that and hit swap. And I probably shouldn't have made the text run this long, but you get the gist of it. It still worked out. So thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.